Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use named range shortcut in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use named range shortcut in Excel? Well, maybe you have a big table, you want to select some cells and give this a name. Okay, today I am going to show you how to use named range shortcut in Excel. Let's start. We have cells, so every cell got name in here. Okay, if we market the cells, we can change the name X. Okay, press enter. Now you named it. So in any function you can just write its name and it just will be marked like this. Okay, let's press enter. And here is it. You copied it because you write its name. That's easy. There you go. If you want to know how to use named range shortcut in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to named range shortcut in Excel, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.